Hi Dr. Jidon, my name is Alia, which is presenter 2, and I will present about the water treatment plant in Sabah that focus on the description and evaluation of the Moyok water treatment plant. Here is the process flow diagram of the Moyok water treatment plant, as it is built in a strategic area to facilitate accessibility to water from Babagonam and Moyok River at Kampung Mat Siam. Next, the treatment procedure begins with a screening step that assures the removal of suspended debris. Then a series of chemical remedies are employed for eliminating impurities and contaminants, including aeration, coagulation, and flocculation that happen in flash mixer. Pulsarator clarifier was used for the sedimentation process, and rapid gravity sand filter were utilized in the filtration process. After the water is filtered, it will undergo a disinfection process before being stored in clear water tank and finally go to distribution process for consumer out there. First of all, the objective in this section includes describing and evaluating the water treatment plant in Sabah, specifically Moyok. Moyok's objective is to produce 185 million liters per day to supply to the whole area of Kota Kinabalu as well as Penampang. Next, the context of the water treatment plant aims to contribute towards SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation. It also seeks to enhance water quality and efficiency, as well as to encourage the sustainable extraction and distribution of fresh water and the elimination of defecation in public. Next, aeration process remove dissolved gas and oxidize dissolved metals like CO2, iron, manganese, and H2S, reducing unpleasant taste and odor in water. It converts metals from soluble to insoluble states, resulting in precipitate that can be removed through sedimentation or filtration. Cascade aeration is an excellent option using natural draft units, increase oxygen levels in water by 30% at each stage. After that, the Moyok WTP used polyaluminium chloride PAC as a coagulant for the coagulation process that occurs in a flash mixer, a cost-effective alternative to ADAM. PAC, with its higher basicity, lower alkalinity usage, and wider pH range, is an ideal coagulant for water treatment due to its wider application, temperature range, and faster kinetics. However, the process of coagulant control in Moyok WTP is automated with a streaming current monitor (SCM) that is an online continuous sampling instrument. Next, Moyok WTP also used a flash mixer for flocculation near the coagulation area, a process that creates larger particles from smaller ones. This process helps remove some hydrophilic colloids. In most water treatment facilities, the ideal coagulant dosage is determined through a container test and operator assessment. However, this method is time-consuming and inaccurate. Next, pulsator clarifier are a reliable and efficient settling velocity option for Moyok WTP. The clarifier process sludge after coagulation and flocculation, forcing it into a sludge blanket that uses a pulse. The system uses a vacuum chamber to suck water from flocculation. Forcing the water through a sludge bed can separate floc from water and clarified water to emerge on top of the sludge. Using 3 large pulsator clarifier is cost-effective, space-efficient, and labor-savvy. After that, the Moyok WTP used rapid gravity sand filter for filtration process. Settled water from the clarifier enters the filter medium and is drawn through it by gravity throughout the filtering process. Impurities are eliminated by passing through the tiny gaps between the filter grains. The filter media, which is made of sand, is what really filters the particulates from the water. Regular backwashing is necessary to prevent filter media clogging. Last but not least, chlorination is a widely used method for disinfecting purified water in water treatment plants like Moyok WTP, removing harmful bacteria, virus, and pathogens as well as stored separately. Lime is also used to prevent corrosion and leaching, neutralize acidic water, and protect water distribution system. Jabatan Air Sabah store purified water in a clear reservoir. That's all from me. Thank you.